Hey folks, Professor Johnson here, back with the next video. So this week we are talking about weaves. We're talking about woven and we're gonna talk about knit fabrics. There's a lot more information than, not necessarily than normal, but a lot more detailed information. Much like the definitions that we talked about when we, in the first couple chapters, we've been talking about all of the aesthetic properties and characteristics and all of the things that we did with colorants and dyes and pigments. In our last module, we're going to do the same thing with this module with woven and knit fabric. So again, we are laying the foundation so that when we get to all of the fibers, all the textiles going forward, we have a baseline understanding of the weaves that can happen with those fibers. So there's some fibers that will just be wovens, there's some that'll just be knits, and there's some that'll do both. Okay, so in this module, we are going to specifically be talking about the difference between knit versus woven. We'll talk about the different types of weaves for woven fabrics and the different type of weaves for knit fabrics. And we're gonna, get into some of the technicalities too. You'll learn about selvage and yarn per inch thread count, really important. And we'll have some activities that we'll do with thread count as well. And of course, there's a discussion board in there too, okay? You're gonna watch some fun videos on literally things being woven. Usually I know there's always a knitter or two in textiles class, so you'll learn a little bit about some handcrafted knits, right? So there's some videos in there about handcrafted knits as well. So you know what to do. Read the textbook material, dive into the lecture, complete the discussion board, come back in and wrap up. See you in class on Tuesday. Now remember, this is the week that you have the option to attend class live face-to-face or to come to class virtually on Zoom, right? So you could log into class at 9:30. And remember, you have to log into class at 9:30. You actually have to be on Zoom at the same time. I will record it, but you have to be on Zoom at the time of class. So this is the first week that you have the option of doing either, okay? I'm excited for the option. And I will see you guys either in class or on Zoom on Tuesday. See ya.